Hello guys, welcome again to my daily dose of video review. In this episode, let's talk about Gaimin. Gaimin.io fully recognizes importance of the community in building customer loyalty, retention, brand identity, and prestige, and will therefore dedicate a significant part of fundraise to the ongoing development and maintenance of the community. The world is filled with various challenges, and Gaimin.io has succeeded in discovering an antidote to one of these challenges. The challenge is one that is involved in the marketing. Gaimin.io has discovered the challenge and has come up with a solution. Gaimin.io aims at building the most powerful decentralized supercomputer in the world. There are quite some reasons why Gaimin.io is focused on gaming sector. To understand this reason, you have to first understand that the gaming industry is perhaps the biggest part of the world's entertainment industry. Beyond just being the biggest part of the world entertainment industry, there are a lot of indications that it is going to get even bigger. The gaming sector is the fact that gamers are perfect for putting the Gaimin.io platform's test. Some of the reasons why the focus of Gaimin.io is on the gaming sector is playing games online is a great experience, and it builds a connection between participating gamers through platforms set aside for chatting. So if you need more information about Gaimin.io, link is in this video description. My name is Aziz, greeting from Bandung, Indonesia. Hope to see you again in my next video review. Thank you and bye bye.